Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I analyzed the trend and how I trade using the spike detector and other indicators which I shared on my previous video. I'm going to be doing some live trading. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified when I share more videos like this. Okay, let's go. So now I'm on Crash 500. So first thing I do when I want to analyze the chart, I go to a higher time frame and see the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame now. I analyze the trend using the 1 hour time frame. So from the 1 hour time frame, you can see here that we have an uptrend. We have an uptrend from the 1 hour time frame. It's giving a bull alarm signal. That means we have an uptrend. So now I've confirmed an uptrend from the 1 hour time frame. So I either buy for long or I wait till it reverses trend before I enter trade. Okay, now firstly I have analyzed the trend from the 1 hour time frame. I know it's an uptrend, but if I want to trade, I go to the 1 minute time frame and using the support and demand indicator which I shared in my previous video. If you don't have any of the indicators, the link will be in the description of this video to check it, indicators and the settings which I shared. So how is the support and demand indicator to denote or predict trend? When it gets to this green zone here, whenever it gets to this green zone here, it means it's oversold. It's oversold. If you look at this green zone here, you see zero is numbered here from 0, 23%, 38, 50%, 60, 76, and 100%. So this zero here, which is this green zone, means it's oversold. So whenever the trend gets to this point, you know that you are buying for a long period of time. You know that you are buying for a long period of time. So when you get that, you put that in the back of your mind before entering your trades. And I also trade with signals from the spike detector which I shared on my previous video. You can see now I've got a buy signal here on boom 500. I've got a buy signal here on boom 500. I'll enter and buy on boom 500. I've got a signal here to buy. I've entered the buy now. Same thing for all the other charts. Whenever you get a signal from the spike detector, you take it. Considering this, this is boom 500, it has gotten to the green zone now. So now you know that the trend will reverse for a little while. It's going to be buying for some time because it has gotten to the oversold zone. So it's going to be buying for some time. Same thing to the crash 1K. Same thing applies to crash 1K.